Welcome back to my channel. If you're aiming for all 9s in your GCSEs and want to ace your exams, you're in the right place. I'm Timetable, and today I'm going to explain how to make the perfect revision timetable so you can ace those exams. Let's dive right in. First things first, work out what are your weaker subjects and what are your stronger subjects. Then you know which ones you can spend less time on and which ones you need to spend more time on. Then I want you to make a list of all the resources you have for each subject, whether those are notebooks, textbooks, websites, and anything else which is useful for your revision. Now I want you to print out the specification or syllabus for each of your subjects. You can do this by searching up the exam board, the subject, and specification. You'll use this to work out the key topics which you need to revise for each of your subjects. So how can you actually make a revision timetable? You've got a few options. You can either do it how I did it, which is go onto Word and insert a table and then manually type everything in. Or you can handwrite it on a piece of paper or use a whiteboard. It really doesn't matter how you do it, just as long as you do it. Here's the revision timetable I used during the weekdays and weekends to get 10 9s in my GCSEs. So what you want to do is write each day at the top, so Monday to Friday, and the times on the left, which should be your whole day, from when you wake up to when you go to sleep. Break your revision time into short, focused sessions. Rather than telling yourself you're going to study for 2 hours and then you end up spending an hour and a half on your phone, instead, use something called the Pomodoro technique. This breaks your revision into 25-minute study sessions, followed by a 5-minute break. After doing this a few times, take a longer break. This will keep you fresh and focused. Now, one thing this doesn't apply for is when you're doing past papers. During these, you want to simulate the exam conditions as accurately as possible. So try to do them in one sitting. Look at my other video to find out how to best use past papers. There are two types of people doing revision. The first is the one who just wants to do one subject a day. The second is the one who wants to do 5 subjects a day. Personally, I was a bit of a mix. I would usually do 2 or 3 subjects a day. You don't want to stick to just one subject for too long though. Mix it up. Alternate between different subjects and different revision techniques. For instance, rather than doing history, do geography. Rather than reading your notes, use flashcards. This will keep your brain engaged and prevents any burnout. Revision isn't just about hitting the books. Make sure to schedule breaks and fun activities into your timetable so that you have something to look forward to during the day, whether that's exercise, hobbies, socializing, they're all important. A balanced timetable keeps you happy and healthy, and that boosts your productivity. Your timetable isn't set in stone. Review your progress and make adjustments if necessary. If you found a subject easier than expected, move some more time towards a harder subject. If you found a break was too short, take a longer break. Be flexible and adapt your schedule to what works best for you. There you have it, your perfect revision timetable. Stick to it and you'll smash those exams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a tip. Good luck with those studies, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching.